everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn at the Rate 10. Today we are going to learn linear equations in two variables, the ASA method. Now ASA stands for the three steps used in solving the two variables. The first step is addition followed by subtraction and then again by addition. This ASA method is used under special circumstances. Let's define those circumstances using a textbook example. Here 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 is my equation number 1. Equation 2 is 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Now as you might see, the coefficients of my variables in these two equations have interchanged. Therefore, under such circumstances, I will be using the ASA method. Let's start with the first step. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Adding both the equations, we get 32x plus 32y is equal to 32. Now as you might see, 32 is common throughout the equation. Therefore, we divide throughout by 32. We get x plus y is equal to 1. Let's label this as equation 3. Let's move on to second step of subtraction. Now since my constant in equation 1, which is 21, is greater than my constant 11 in equation 2, I will be subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 minus 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Subtracting causes changes in sign of 17 to minus 17 and 15 to minus 15, whereas 11 becomes minus 11. Therefore, we get minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now as you might see, 2 is common in the equation. Therefore, dividing the equation by 2, we get minus x plus y is equal to 5. Let's label this as equation 4. Now for the last step, which is subtraction, I will be using equation 3 and equation 4. Adding equation 3 and 4, we get x plus y is equal to 1 and minus x plus y is equal to 5. While adding, x's get cancelled and I get 2y is equal to 6, which gives me y is equal to 6 upon 2, and solving this I get y is equal to 3. Now substituting this value of y is equal to 3 in any of the previous equations. For each, I have taken equation 3. Therefore, x plus 3 is equal to 1. Sending 3 on the other side, I get x is equal to 1 minus 3, which gives me x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma minus 3 in brackets is the solution of the given equation. Now let's learn to solve linear equations in two variables using the graphical method. Before starting to solve equations, let's learn to draw a line from a given equation. For this, I will be using an example from Maharashtra State Board textbook. Minus y is equal to 4. Now in this equation, I have to keep one variable on the left hand side and transfer everything else on the right hand side. Therefore, y is equal to 2x minus 4. Now remember, the variable on the right hand side has the right to assume any value. Now let's make a table and label it as x, y and x comma y. Keep 4 columns empty to assume value of x. I am assuming value of x as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Substituting value of x as 1, I get 2 minus 4, which gives me minus 2. 2 2s are 4, minus 4 gives me 0. And substituting 3 2s are 6, minus 4 gives me 2. While substituting 4 2s are 8, minus 4 gives me 4. Now write x comma y as the points 1 comma minus 2, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 2 and 4 comma 4. Let's plot these points. Now as you can see, I have plotted a line from the given equation. As you saw previously, I deduced some points using the equation. Here in the graph, I plotted those points and drew a straight line. Do not forget to write the equation on top of the line, and do not forget to mention scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Now let's solve an equation using the graphical method. So x plus y is equal to 4 is my first equation, minus y is equal to 2 is my second equation. Therefore, x is equal to 4 minus y, and y is equal to 2x minus 2. Now draw the tables as shown previously. Let's assume value for the variables on the right hand side of the equation. Y is equal to 0, 2, 3 and 6. When I substitute y in the equation, I get 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Therefore, 4 comma 0 is my first point. When I substitute 2 in place of y, I get x is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 comma 2 is the answer. When I substitute 3, I get x is equal to 1. And when I substitute 6, I get x is equal to minus 2. Now let's assume for second equation, and here I will assume for x. When I substitute 0 in the equation, I get 2 into 0, 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. When I substitute 1 in the equation, I get 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 comma 0. When I substitute 2 in the equation, I get 2 2s are 4. Minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 comma 2. When I substitute 3 in place of x, I get 3 2s are 6 minus 2, which is 4. Therefore, the points are 3 comma 4. Now let's plot these points onto a graph paper. As shown previously, I have plotted the points which I got from the equations. Drawing the two lines, I receive an intersection point here, that is 2 comma 2, which is the solution of my equation. Do not forget to write the name of the line as the equations, and do not forget to write the scale. Please utilize more than 75% of the graph area to draw graphs neatly.
The textbook questions which can be solved with this method are in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and help me in making videos better with your suggestions. Subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. Bye.